patterns. It's how objects, shapes, and numbers are repeated over and over again in a list, chain, or a sequence. You can tap on example number 1 to check it out. In this example, we will learn about increasing patterns. To create an increasing pattern, we are going to add a single object to a list so that it follows a sequence, resulting in an increasing pattern. Here, we have 3 groups, and each group has a certain number of green blocks in it. We also have 3 more green blocks, which do not belong to any group yet. Now, let's assign these blocks a group. So, all the 3 groups gets an extra green block. When we assign a green block to the first group, it becomes a group of 1 green block plus 1 green block equals 2 green blocks. Similarly, by assigning a green block to the second group, it becomes a group of 2 green blocks plus 1 green block equals 3 green blocks. And finally, when we assign the last remaining green block to the third group, it becomes a group of 3 green blocks plus 1 green block equals 4 green blocks. By adding a green block to each group, we can see that an increasing pattern of 1 green block is created between these groups. In this example, we will learn about an increasing pattern formed by adding 2 objects to each group. Hence, we are going to create an increasing pattern by having an increase of 2 objects per group. So, we have 3 groups, and each group has a certain number of balls in it. By looking at group number 1, we can easily tell that it has 2 balls in it. Group number 2 has 4 balls in it, whereas group number 3 has 6 balls. By observing these groups, we can see that these groups are following a sequence in which the number of balls are increasing. The first group has 2 balls. The second group has 2 balls plus 2 more balls, making a total of 4 balls. Following the same sequence, the third group has 4 balls plus 2 more balls, making a total of 6 balls. So, it can clearly be seen that every next group has 2 more balls added to the total number of balls in the previous group. Hence, the sequence is increasing by 2 balls in every upcoming group. If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.